Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can stake Magic Eden tokens, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to be doing is simply going to go ahead and first access your stake and check it out your Magic Eden tokens and check out how much you have so you can go through the staking process. So here is a step-by-step guide to do so. So first thing, you simply have to decide how much you would like to stake and for how long. Then you simply have to use the Magic Eden staking interface to lock your tokens, because that is crucial. Once you have done that, you're going to simply ensure the wallet used for Quest is linked to your staking wallet via the ME Foundation wallet linking to go ahead and link your wallet to that. Then you simply have to regularly participate in quests listed in the Magic Eden app, right? And then you simply have to keep track of your ranking and quest completion to stay competitive. Then you have to start claiming your rewards in daily basis, like often at the end of the chapter. Like, reward will be distributed and based on your final rank and percentile, so make sure you collect it. And once you have done that, you will be able to go through the staking process, and the longer you take, the longer it will be there, the more profits you will earn. And at the bottom we also have the options of how you can maximize your rewards as well to get more staking and more rewards. Make sure you have a strategic play out. The more rewards you earn, the more it will benefit you, so do that, and through the ME Foundations, so through that you will be able to stake it and get profits from it. So that's how you do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.